Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I am showing how to customize and give Windows 10 a new cool look using rainmeter theme. First go to Google Chrome and search rainmeter. Then select the first link. Then click download beta and it will start download. Then go to your download folder and install it. Choose your language and click OK. Then choose standard installation and click next. Then choose your location to install and click install. After installing, click finish. Now the rainmeter will load its default skins. Click each and click unload. Then again go to Chrome and open the link in the description.